Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.
For 1.5 kilometers.
So right now I am in the Kingsland area in Spur. So if you're just stopping by on this channel, you can kindly subscribe to the channel and like and share and hit the bell icon so as soon as I upload a video you will be notified.
Continue on A2 for 24 kilometers.
So I'm driving in the southwest direction on A2 heading towards Spur Hill, Manchester, Jamaica. Yes, people, as you can know, Manchester, Spur, them place there. Nice view over into St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, so a lot of persons now when they come Jamaica and have to travel them road up on Spur, you know. So me always are giving an update on Jamaica. Any day I feel like we going to update me, I give an update on any route. Yeah, man, because you know, say every day things change, so I will keep you all updates. Yeah, man, so if you don't want to the car if you buy, you can come on Spur same way. You have car marts in Spur. A lot of cars, new and used cars in Spur, Manchester. So it's a bit overcast now in Spur. Nice view of the sky in Spur, Manchester. Heading towards Spur Hill. So if you want your black, you can go and purchase the black at Meikle's Black Factory. And also when you're in Spur Hill and you want to have your best lunch, breakfast or dinner, you can stop at Claudette's Cook Shop. That's where you get the best curry goats, manish water with a piece of fried chicken. So it's up to you, whatever you want. Yeah, man, so we are Claudette, top class restaurant, you know. So keep on watching, guys.
Continue on A2 for 20
On your left, you have the Newark Estate. Lots of crazy accident on Spur Reid. So yes, some people, so when you're driving, always remember to wear your seat belt. Always remember about safety. So we are now driving on Spur Hill, Manchester. Yeah man, so when you drive in a Spur Hill, yeah man, you have to approach the hill in a low gear. Yeah man, so you're gonna give the engine a little compression on it. Yeah man, because when a lot of persons driving on Spur Hill, a lot of speed along the hill, very dangerous. Sometimes the make the engine build up like a compression. Don't use only brake alone when driving on Spur Hill because it's not safe. Yeah, when you use too much brake, it will run very hot. So when you run very hot now, eventually you don't have as much brake. So just make the engine build up some compression. Go down in low gear. man, so the great Spur Hill. And also remember in Spur Hill you have a lot of rest stop. Can get your curry goat same way, your jerk chicken or your jerk pork. On your right is a Neville's curry goat joint. So approach dangerous, some person call it curve or corner. Yeah man. On a rainy day, when the rain just drizzle, come around them corner here, you can't just spin the opposite direction. So you gotta be very careful when you're approaching this corner in Spur, Manchester. Yeah, you know, a lot of big units drive on them road the same way. Lots of big units. Man, you can see it over here, so it's full of be a bush. Where you see them clean up this area. It's a different looking Spur side going towards gutters. Yeah man, so you approach the corn man of Spur Hill. Yeah man, so if you don't want to no corn soup, you don't stop on the left here, so you know. Just this summer road trip in Manchester. Sometimes you have to get the view going up, sometimes you have to get the view going down. It's a different view in both directions. So welcome to the Mount Pella subdivision. Yeah man, and a tour guide, Fire Reid. Yeah man, just press up your bell, yeah man, press up your bell. Yeah man. Remember to like up the video please. Don't Jamaica nice and paper. Yeah man, Jamaica nice. So we are now leaving Spur. Yeah man, so yes you can pass. You can buy ackee, Neesberry, sweet sap. Some persons call it the sugar apple. Yeah man, when you're in Gutters, St. Elizabeth. So welcome to St. Elizabeth, my people. So thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.